You've probably seen videos like these before. People are making thousands of dollars just by uploading these motivational motion graphic videos. The great news is that competition in this niche is low, so you can grow quickly and earn more money. You can post these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, making money across all platforms. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos using free software like Canva and Capcut. I've made this video in 3 simple steps, and the last step is my favorite, so don't miss out. Grab your favorite snack and enjoy the video. Step number 1, create a black grid background. First, we'll use Canva to make a black grid background. Canva is free to use and has awesome graphics, perfect for creating eye-catching designs quickly. Open Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail. Click on Create Blank. Next, search for a dark background and choose one. Left-click on the mouse and select Set as Background. Now, search for a grid, change its color to white, and adjust it to cover the entire area. Step number 2, create a green screen with elements. In this step, we'll create a green screen in Canva. Search for YouTube Shorts and pick any template. Remove the video content to make a blank screen, then change the background color to green. Next, search for an animated sun and add it to your design. Then, search for animated clouds, choose the ones you like, and adjust them on the screen. Step number 3, make a motion graphic video. In this third and my favorite step, we are going to make a motion graphic video. Open Capcut and import the 2 designs we made in Canva. Pick the black grid background and set it on the timeline. Change the format of the video to 9:16. Now, pick the green screen video and adjust it on the timeline. It's time to remove the green screen. Go to the cutout option, turn on the chroma key, and click on the color picker. Pick the green color and increase the strength. Now, go to the text option, insert a number of dashes, and make some changes. Just follow the steps. Now, I am going to make a second simple design in CapCut only. First, import a black grid background. In the upper header, go to the text option. Just like before, write a wake up and adjust it to bottom. After that, again click to text and write a number of dashes to make a line. Adjust the line as needed to fit your design. At last, we are going to make a motivational reel video. Open Canva, search Instagram and click any template, then add a new blank page by deleting the previous template. Change the color to black. Add a text by clicking on heading and write a motivation versus discipline. And also change the font to look like cool. In this same way, search for fire animation and choose which you want and adjust the fire animation according to your design. After making video, you can add motivational background music. Download free background music from Pixabay. Use your creativity and start your animation journey with Canva and Capcut. By creating and posting videos like these frequently, you'll gain traction and build an audience. Once you have a following, you can hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to help with your projects. This way, you can pay for the work and keep the profits. I work hard to bring you new niches and ideas to make money online in an easy and simple way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, take care and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.